Hi guys, welcome to Tech Learner Hub. Let's move on to the next topic, that is the flow control statements. So in Java we have like three types of flow control statements. The first one is the selection statements, or we can say conditional statements. We already see if else. Okay, so we'll see again how if else work with our best examples, best cases. So these statements are like based upon particular condition. Okay, the selected block will be executed. We'll see how this works. And in this same selection statements, we have switch statement as well. And next we have iteration looping statements, in which we have for each, while, do while. So these are the repeated statements, repeated like multiple times. All right. Then we have transfer jumping statements: break, continue, go to, try, return. Okay. So let's see how this work. And first we will start with if else, else if, and then we'll jump to the switch. Okay. Okay, let me open our test program and let me type here. Okay. All right. So this is our statement one. So this is the only if, but not else. Okay. So that is how we can write if statement with condition, and this body will be executed if the condition inside these round brackets are true. Okay, let's check with this example. Let me copy this, let me paste it here. Okay, let me execute this now. So we can execute by Java compiler first, and then we will execute. So now it is executed. Now Java test. Okay, x is greater than y. So this statement is printed. Reason being, this is true because x, obviously the x is greater than y. 20 is greater than 10, right? So that is why it is uh, true and the statement is printed. What if I will write true over here directly? Will it work? Yes. So make sure guys, under the round brackets we should have only boolean. Okay, like whatever the output will become, it should comes in boolean. So if you're writing x is greater than y or x is less than y, it should be boolean always. Okay, so if I will execute this again, let me compile this. We execute. Okay, see, again it is x is greater than y. Okay, but if I will write false over here, sorry here, will it? See, nothing is printing. Why? Because we have written over here as false. Or if we write y is greater than x, still we will not get anything. Java C test.java, then execute this. See, nothing is printing because false is searching for the else condition, else statement, which we have not printed. All right. So that is the reason it is not printing anything. But it will not give you any error. So that is how Java works over here. And one more thing, guys, if I will remove these curly braces from here, what do you guys think? Will it work or not? If I will write like this, x is greater than y again, do you think this will work? Let's try. Let me compile this again. See, it is working. Okay. So condition over here is in Java that if you have a single statement after if you have single statement, and that too should not be a initialization. If I will write like this, it won't work. And if I will comment this, it will not work. Okay, it should give me an error. See, so at line number 7, error, variable declaration not allowed here. So it is Java is clearly telling us that the way you have declared your variable is incorrect way. Please remove that. Okay, so we should remove this. Let's see now. Still, it is an error. Variable declaration not allowed here. So we are not allowed to declare a variable over here. Initialization or declaration is not possible if you are not adding a curly braces. Okay, only a sysout statement will work. All right. If you want to declare any variable, then you have to add, then you have to do like this. Okay. Now you can write int x or z equals 10. Now this will work. Okay. X is greater than y. Now Java understand, okay, this is under the curly braces. Now developer knows how to handle these things. So that is the thing. All right, let's jump to the else now. So if I'm writing else, that means whenever whenever the if is false, it will come under this thing. X is less than y. So x is greater than y again. Or you can write y is not greater than, y is not greater than x. If I will write like this, then the statement will jump in, then this else. Let's see. Y is not greater than x. Okay, now we are printing this thing. So it totally depends upon this. If the output of this is true, then it is comes under if. If the output of this is false, then it comes under else condition. All right. So this is how if and else works. Right. If else takes two options. If condition, then this true body, else is this one is a false body. If statement is taking condition, that condition must be boolean type. So I have already told you that if statement is taking condition, so if is the only one where we have to put our condition, and that condition must be boolean type. All right. So did you guys remember instead of if else what we can do to minimize our number of lines of program? If you do know, please comment. If not, then see previous lectures, guys, and let's check this case as well, how the things are working here. Okay, let's see. So I have taken one variable name age, and I have given it 20. Let's say the age is 20, and age is greater than, if the age is greater than 22, eligible for marriage. Printing. If the age is less than 22, then we are saying not eligible for marriage. Try after some time. Okay. That is just an example, guys. So let's see. We'll compile it, execute it. Okay. So we are getting an output not eligible for marriage. Try after some time. I hope you got why. Because 20 is not greater than 22, right? So that is why the if false statement is printing. All right. Let's try like this. You you guys might be interested in this also. Let me compile it again. Okay, so that is how also you can write. Okay, so that's it for for this video, guys.